Hello, it's Rob Cubban here. I'm first going to show you a little bit about the hosting environment we have for a WordPress site. I have a client here who has a domain, samalvarez.com. She has that domain pointing towards her Bluehost hosting account, and at the moment this is what we can see. It's just a holding page, so it's just been set up and nothing's been done to it. I'll show you the hosting in the back end. Now, it doesn't matter what host you use, whether it's Bluehost, HostGator, or whatever. So we've logged in, and all hosts will look a little bit different, but one way that they are similar is that many hosts use the cPanel. So here is the cPanel. There will be similarities, so you have the headings here for website, email, domains, files, statistics. Now, it might look a little bit overwhelming, but the good news is there's very little we need to do here. But let me show you something. If we scroll down a bit, I'm going to go to File Manager. And if you go to File Manager on your cPanel, you may see something very similar. It will also be the same if you're using an FTP program to access your files remotely. This is your folder on the hosting provider that you've paid for. It's very often that all your website files are stored in the public HTML folder. So we'll open that, and in there, if you see folders like WP admin, WP content, WP includes, these are the WordPress files that make WordPress work. And there's WP-.php files as well. That usually means that you have installed WordPress. Now, the reason for this is because there is already a website on this hosting, and we're actually going to set up the samalvarez.com site in an add-on domain, and that has a folder here, so that's where the files for this website will go. So that's what we've got at the moment, and these files are only the files used to set up this holding page at the moment. So basically we're starting with a clean slate here. But the first thing I'm going to do is go back to the cPanel and set up WordPress with a one-click install.